Despite an appeal from the movie industry to is curfe under certain specific conditions, cinema in the Paris region and the Gote city must shutter during 9 p.m. nightly starting Saturday, along with titres and restaurant. Industry official warrant as the new regulation threatens the survival of many of those business. After been forced to close their establishment during the lockdown. Titre and the cinema operator in the Île-de-France region and the major city now have to deal with the introduction, on Saturday of a curfew from 9 p.m. for a list for week. Qui latest restrictions comme juste à peuple, have begun regaining the confidence to go out again and cinema and titre have started filling up. Oh will French culture survive un des curfews? French président Macron annoncement of an nightly curfew last Wednesday cause much anxiety for film professional, and understandably so, evening screening starting after 7 p.m., have banquet keeping the industry alive, representing 40.5% of the total number of cinema admission in France. According to a 2019 survey for the Centre National du Cinéma CNC. Despite a calbi the industry to re-examine how the curfew could be applied to cinema and titre, the government announced Friday that no exception will be made to allow screening or performance ending after 9 p.m. Urgoally clear, we have to fix the virus. For the sake of consistency, there will be no exemption au tétantos already stated. Event to go award that will cause particular difficulty for the cultural sector and for all those working anig. But we won't abandon any sector, well distribute specific, the Office of Prime Minister Jean Castex told France 24. In a post on Facebook, France Society of Film Director SFR angrily denounced Castex refusal to consider facilitating evening screening in cinema, arguing that culture is no a luxury, but a necessity. The SFR says the survival of the industry was at stake. Autumni a crucial team for Artus Cinema in attente limilos. Somchien, such as the Parisian network MK2, have decided to open their cinema from 8 OTW of screening early as the weekend. But with a burnug, we hope to stay afloat with the help we receive from the CNC in particular. Said William Benedetto, director of the Artus Cinema à l'Embraille in Marseille. We have a tour work schedule. Screening Tower Manteau Star à 8 p.m., Avenue Moveto Saturday and Sunday morning à 11h30 am. But the obviously de nous solve your problem and, a curfew in October valid as nel. Autumni a crucial period for Artus Cinema. Igli anticipate ad award winning film are usually released at team. Ich vital to live for annual la tendance nabe. But tier nothing is certain, Benedetto say. Qui samong city can buffelt in Paris. Since the curfew was announced, spammy degluet to the telephone, Émilie Nouveau, a programmé à the studio des Ursulines, en independent cinéma for une audience in the 5th arrondissement, toll France 24. Have to keep checking with distributor that they are still going to release their film in cinema, I'm constantly contacting festival to make sure they're still happening. A never-ending circle of worry, especially for small town like you. Since the end of the lockdown, I feel like we've been stitching and restitching pour programme. And then, in the end, you have to re-put all the stitch. Je sais une appli. Plus grand que Snap Show before good. France on the cusp of COVID-19 curve terrible in Kitty Fevrion at home by 9 p.m. and with film lasting, on average mort en tour. No possible to star, a film la tête en 6 p.m. to give people en team to home, according to the Fédération Nationale des Cinémas FNCF. The Federation proposed as the governmental cinemager to return on slightly after the curfew or if they could produce their tickets to the evidence. Event plan will no be l'attend for many French cinema fan, the FNCF concede, since most people don't finish work until around 7 p.m., meaning they will still no be able to get to the cinema in time, even if there was a special dispensation. There is terrible in kitty in this situation. You can come back by train or walk your door after 9 p.m., but you can leave a cinema. C'est Erwan Escoubet, Director of Regulatory Affairs at the FNCF. OK, the of the curfew to avoid the transmission of the virus. buteur à Nevers Annie Clusté connecté au cinéma, guillemets Eutol France 24 à film Tadas Comoting Paris das n'existe the répercussion for the film industry cool de dramatique, the increasingly limited number of screening will it at droit in cinema à tendance. Qui coule de thé major distributor from scheduling their film in the immediate future. No nous relisement even en petit cinéma. The only win cool end up by streaming platforms such as Netflix and Amazon Prime. Un exemple is the new score en zombie horror film Beyoncé au Peninsula. Qui was initially scheduled for release, en octobre 21 but already been postponed until December 16. Pop we got aussi a film for children in the afternoon with any problem, but we got aussi a zombie film à 8 âmes. As que French film producé Michel Alberstad in the weekly culture magazine Télérama. The absence of new film could ultimately lead to the closure of cinema, even in area of the country tadonu, have to abide by the curfew. The consequence of the curfew are more pertinent for cinéma for titre because, a film no release in Paris do no exist in France. If screening can no longer be in major city, most of the French film is early awaited autumn, such as Albert Dupontel Adieu les cons, Valérie Lemercier Alinor Maïwan ADN, We be removed from the scheduling of the cinema Trougou France, CSQB. Rigno, ou simply don't see a way out of the. Qui article band translated from the original in French.